Hello YouTube vintage stereo collectors and restorers. Now, on the bench, I'm just taking kind of a preliminary look at one of these knob in the center vintage early Sony amplifiers. So these were 70, 71 era. It's a TA-1010. It's the baby of the line. I'm just doing a handheld here so you can see better. Yeah, I've been looking at this one. This one looks like to be all original parts. No evidence of anything being changed. And it does work, depending what your definition of work is. Capacitors are tired. There aren't any bad transistors. You can get a signal through on each channel in both phono and through the tuner input. There's a lot of gritty noise along with it. The controls, I did a preliminary cleaning on them. Really nicely made, easy to get at. Controls are not soldered to a board except for the tone controls. And they're stiff. I know especially like the treble and stuff. I've sprayed them with neutral. They're coming around. This one has been sitting quite a while is my guess. Somebody put it away, they bought something different. You know, same old story. But you know, this is a classic from the era of capacitor coupled amps. Not a lot of watts, but they sound nice. In fact, back in the day, if you had one of these, even if you bought the entry-level model, they sounded great. They were well made. Steel chassis, inputs for 2 phonos. I've never done that, had 2 like running into one, and it kind of has a neat look as a wood grain cabinet. But the only thing I would start with, I have powered it up. The power cord has some burn marks on it, like it's been up against a hot heat register or something. I'm going to put a new cord on it right away because there's one area it's very close to the copper. But I say it plays and everything. Clean the controls. I'm going to recap it. If there's too much noise in the phone section, put some new transistors in there. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening.